Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing simple Mehndi designs for fingers only. These trendy and minimalistic designs are perfect for those who want an elegant yet effortless look. Let's get started. Segment 1. Dotted Chain Finger Mehndi Design. Let's start with this dotted chain Mehndi design. It features tiny dots connected like a delicate chain, creating a sophisticated and simple look for your fingers. Segment 2. Leafy Vine Finger Mehndi Pattern. Next, we have the Leafy Vine Mehndi design. With soft curves and tiny leaves, this design gives a natural and elegant feel, perfect for a minimalistic look. Segment 3. Minimalist Ring Mehndi Design. Want to give your fingers a jewelry-inspired touch? This ring-style Mehndi design features simple curved lines and small accents, making it look like you're wearing stylish henna rings. Segment 4. Geometric Finger Mehndi Design. For a modern and trendy vibe, try this geometric finger Mehndi design. It includes straight lines, triangles, and dots, giving your fingers a unique and stylish look. Segment 5. Tiny Floral Finger Mehndi Design. Florals never go out of style. This tiny floral finger Mehndi design adds a cute and elegant touch to your hands with mini flowers and delicate detailing. Perfect for any occasion. Which simple Mehndi design for fingers only was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. See you in the next video.